In this short video, I'll be showing you how you can auto-save contact automatically without having to touch your phone. So straight away, I'll be chatting my business WhatsApp from my main WhatsApp. So let me show you. I'll be chatting my main WhatsApp. But I want to show you that this contact has not been saved. Look at it. This contact has not been saved. So let's go back and let's chat it up. And we'll be able to save it without any touch. So I'm chatting it up from here. Let me just say hi, or you can just use an emoji. Anything will trigger the message. So it's going to say, "You're welcome to my DM. Please tell me your name so I can save your contact immediately. Please reply with just your full name, starting with your first name." So at this point, you can just say, "My name is Manama." And boom, it's going to say, if I got you correctly, your name is Manama. I'm going to say, no, perhaps, maybe I made a mistake. And it's going to say, since that wasn't your name, you can please tell me your full name, starting with your first name. At this point, I'm going to say, my name is Hamza Game. Now, it says, if I understood you correctly, your name is Hamza Gabe. This is more like human, like the way it rephrases the question in different ways, So this time I'm going to say no also. And it says, no problems. You can now tell me your full name, starting with your first name. And at this point, I'm going to say the actual name that I want you to save with. I'm going to say James John. James John. And it says, kindly confirm your name. Is your name James John? And I'm going to say yes at this point. Yes. So immediately I say yes, we'll go back to the other WhatsApp and see what happens to that number. So let's go. Now we come back to the other WhatsApp, see what happens.
One new contact has just been saved.
It says one new contact has just been saved. Watch. And it has been saved. It has been saved. Did you see that? Did you see that? It has been saved. And this contact has just been saved to your Gmail. To your Gmail. So this is what will help you achieve by the time you have gone through the WhatsApp Automation Mastery Pack. To get access to the full course content, use the link in my bio.